Hello everyone, good day. Today I will be presenting a summary of my understanding about the CWTS2 orientation from Southern Leyte State University. So first, what is CWTS? So ang CWTS or Civic Welfare Training Service is a part of the NSTP program. Para nako, importante kayo ni siya kay dili lang ni siya subject but a program that helps us become more responsible and aware as members of society. So here is the goal of NSTP: transform youth into responsible citizens. The goal of NSTP is to transform the youth into responsible citizens who are God-fearing, patriotic, humane, and environmentally conscious. This means that dili lang ta ginatuluan sa academics, pero ginahulma po datong values o character. Importante ni kay kung naatay maayong values, mas makakontribute ta sa atong community o sa atong nasod. So sa vision, civic consciousness and defense preparedness. The vision of NSTP is to become a leading center of civic consciousness and defense preparedness. Pasabot ani, gusto sa program nga mahimong aware ta sa atong responsibilities, isip citizens ug andam ta sa emergencies. Kina-promote pod niini ang service, patriotism ug community development. Sa simple nga pagsabot, gusto nila nga mahimong tang aktibo ug responsible ang mga students sa society. So ari na pud ta sa mission. Mission: develop well-rounded individuals. The mission of NSTP is to develop well-rounded, socially responsible, and patriotic individuals pinaagi sa training programs. Dili lang ta magtuon pero gina-develop po ang atong physical, moral, spiritual, intellectual, ug social aspects. Importante po nga mahimong active ta sa community service. Next, objectives. Objectives: civic awareness, service, preparedness. The objectives of CWTS include developing civic consciousness and patriotism, encouraging community service, and preparing students for emergencies. Kina-develop pod ang mga atong skills like teamwork, leadership, o critical thinking. Sa specific objectives, nag-focus siya sa community welfare like health, education, o environment. Dili lang ta magtuon pero maglihok gyud ta og makatabang sa tinuod nga kinabuhi. Program of activities: orientation, immersion, and implementation. The program includes several activities throughout the semester. Mag-start ta sa orientation o planning. Then musunod ang community immersion kung asa ta mo engage sa actual community. Maghimo ta og proposal, i-present o i-implement nato ang project. After implementation, natay reporting o presentation sa results. Sa katapusan, naay recognition kung makompleto nato ang program. So, ari nga part, importante kayo ni ang teamwork o cooperation sa tanan activities. So, ari na punta sa health awareness. This program also includes discussion about health topics like COVID-19, HIV or AIDS, dengue, and first aid. Kini nga mga topics, importante ni kay makatabang ni nato sa pag-protect sa atong health ug sa uban pa. Dako kay ni nga tabang sa atong daily life ug sa atong community. So, about na pod ari sa grading system. Numerical, not in GWA. So, what is GWA? Ang kaning GWA means General Weighted Average. In grading, NSTP uses numerical grades, pero dili siya appeal sa GWA or General Weighted Average. Pero importante gihapon siya kay requirements ni para makagraduate. Ang grading based sa attendance, participation o project outputs. So kinahanglan gyud mag-effort og mo participate. So next is rules and regulations. Discipline and safety. There are rules and regulations that students must follow. So dapat mo attend regularly, magpakita og respeto o sunod sa safety rules. Bawal ang smoking, drinking, drugs, or bullying. Sa off-campus activities, kinahanglan ang proper permission o coordination. Importante kaayo ni ang disiplina para mahimong successful ang program. And lastly, in conclusion, CWTS2 is more than just a subject. It helps us become responsible citizens. Pinaagi sa teamwork, leadership, o community service. Para nako, dako kayo ni og impact kay gi-prepare ta niini para sa real life situation. Sa gamay nga paagi, makatabang ta sa atong komunidad o mahimong mas maayong tao. So, I think that's all. Thank you so much for listening.